So what is a good replacement for milk?
I love this question.
Why?
What is a good replacement for milk on a keto diet? Because we struggled with this.
Well, I used to love to drink milk, like 2%, 1% milk. Like milk does a body good. That's the thing. Or got milk.
So so we generally don't drink milk on a keto diet because of the lactose in milk, and lactose is simply milk sugar.
Right.
So there are sugars. It bumps up your carbs real quick. So most of us don't drink milk on keto. So some of the things that we have figured out is, one, you can mimic milk by mixing together some heavy cream and water.
Yeah, that actually ends up kind of tasting sweet, even though there's no real sugar in it. But I kind of like it.
Yeah, there's a minimal. And always make sure when you're looking at cream that you get the heavy whipping cream with one ingredient. Because there is some, we've seen packages that say heavy whipping cream and it says cream and then it says milk.
Yeah.
And if you look at the carb count, it's higher. And I was actually surprised. Half and half, I knew. Half milk, half cream. But we actually did see a heavy whipping cream container that had milk in the ingredients. So keep your eye on that. And it had a higher carb count.
Yeah.
Other options would be unsweetened almond milk, unsweetened coconut milk, and now there is a macadamia nut milk out there.
Yeah, one of my favorite
I have not
nuts.
tried. It's one of your favorite nuts, and I would suspect you can make almond milk. You can make your own coconut milk. I'm sure you can make your own macadamia nut milk. So there actually are quite a few options. Some people will do like soy milk. We personally avoid soy products, but that's something some people might want to consider as well.